How to transfer photos from iPhone to PC and laptop, full step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your photos and videos from your iPhone to your PC or laptop. Now, whether you want to free up space, organize your files, or just make a backup, this guide covers everything, no matter if you're using Windows 10, Windows 11, or even an older version. And the best part, you don't need any fancy software to actually do this for you. I'm going to be going through the most reliable and free and fast methods, both with and without using a cable. So let's get started. Firstly, let's actually talk about why you might want to transfer photos from your iPhone to a PC or laptop. Now, maybe your phone is running out of storage. Maybe you want to create backups, edit your content on a bigger screen, or share them online from your computer. And transferring them also makes it easier to organize your photos into folders, burn them onto DVDs, or even store them with an external hard drive. And transferring photos regularly does protect you in the case your phone gets lost or damaged, so it's always a good habit. Now, let's start with the most straightforward method, which is using the USB cable. Now, connect your iPhone to your PC using a cable and then use File Explorer to access your iPhone. Now, what you're going to do is connect your iPhone using the Lightning to USB cable that came with your phone. On your iPhone, you're going to see a prompt saying trust this computer. So go ahead and tap trust and enter your passcode. On your Windows PC, you should automatically get a pop-up notification where it's going to tell you that it's connected. If it doesn't appear, just open up the File Explorer manually and go over there. Now, you're also going to follow a few steps. You're going to open up your File Explorer, okay? And once you're over here, you're going to see iPhone listed as a device. So you're going to click it. And once you click it, you're going to go to its internal device storage, which is the DCIM. Now, this is where all your phone camera photos and videos are stored. You'll find folders like 100 Apple, 101 Apple. These contain your media files. So select the photos you want to copy or press Ctrl A to select everything, then right click and choose copy and paste them into a folder on your desktop or external drive. Transferring this way is quick, direct, and doesn't require internet. Just remember, you can only access camera files this way, not photos from iCloud or any third-party apps. Now, what to do if your iPhone doesn't really show up over here? Now, if your PC doesn't detect your iPhone, make sure you've tapped trust on your iPhone screen. Ensure your phone is unlocked. Try using a different USB port or cable and update iTunes for Windows. So do make sure that your iTunes on your Windows is absolutely up to date because sometimes drivers need to be refreshed. Now, don't worry, you won't need to use iTunes for the transfer itself, but it helps with your device recognition. Now, another thing that you can do is using the Photos app on the Windows. This method is perfect if you want to import by albums or dates. So again, do the same thing, connect your iPhone via USB, open up the Photos app on your PC. So what you do is simply go over to Photos. Now, once you have the Photos app all opened up, just like this, what you can do is you can come over to your Photos app as so. In the top right corner, you're going to see import. So you're going to click on import and it's going to say connected device will show here. So once you've connected your iPhone, choose that device. Wait a few seconds and it will scan your iPhone and show thumbnails of all the photos and videos available. Now select which photos you want to import or just select import all. You're going to choose the destination folder and then hit import. This method is extremely useful if you want a clean categorized import. It's also great for importing by month or event. Okay, pretty incredible, pretty cool stuff. Now, another method that you can use is transferring using iCloud, where no cable is actually needed. So if you want to transfer wirelessly, no problem. Let's talk about iCloud Photo Library. So what you do is you go over to your iPhone, and in your iPhone, you're going to be going over to your iCloud, okay? So what you do is simply go over to your iCloud and enable iCloud photos. And once you've enabled those, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi signal and log into your Apple ID. Your iPhone will start uploading all of your photos to the cloud, and you can simply go ahead onto your PC, sign in with your iCloud, and click on Photos, browse through your albums and select photos, click the download icon to save them to your PC, and if you want to automate this, download the iCloud for Windows app from Apple's website. Once installed, sign in with your Apple ID, enable Photos, and set up a folder on your PC where your iCloud photos will sync automatically. Now, this is a great wireless method, but depends on your internet speed and storage quota on iCloud. Now, moving on, another wireless method is through Google Photos or even Google Drive. Now, what you can do is you can install the Google Photos app on your iPhone, okay? Now, once you have downloaded the Google Photos, install it, open it, and sign in with your Google. Now, once you have added your Google account over to your Google Photos, what you can pretty much do over here is enable backup and sync and allow it to upload your photos to your Google Photos. Now, make sure you're on Wi-Fi as backups use data. And on your PC, go to photos.google.com, sign in, and download photos in full resolution. Now, this is ideal for people who already use Google Drive or want an extra backup service. It works across devices and platforms, which is pretty cool. Now, moving over to the method that most people use is if you own a Mac. You can use AirDrop from your iPhone to transfer all the files to your MacBook. And once they're on your Mac, use a USB flash drive or external hard disk to move the files to your Windows PC or laptop. This is a useful workaround if you're transitioning between Apple and Windows ecosystems. One final method, which I find the easiest and which I use mostly for file transferring through my iPhone and laptop, is Google Drive. Simply download Google Drive onto your iPhone and also you have it on your PC. Go ahead and transfer those files to your Google Drive using your iPhone, and then sign in with that same account on your PC and simply download it from there. This is a useful workaround if you're transitioning between Apple and Windows ecosystems. So yeah, after transferring, create a system to keep your photos organized, rename by files, date, or event, store them in folders like vacations, or use softwares like Adobe Bridge or even the built-in Photos app on Windows to tag and sort images. And this will make your photo archive easy to browse and retrieve in the future. So that's the main idea of how you're going to be going ahead and transferring files from your iPhone to PC or laptop. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. And also do make sure to share this video around with your friends and family or anyone in need of this video, because that truly helps me out. And also, do let me know if you have other ideas for videos, maybe related to this topic, maybe related to some other topic, other CRMs, other softwares, etc. Do let me know down in the comments below and I will definitely make them for you. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is. Again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video around, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.